Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. This video concerns when you flush the old loo there and it takes ages to fill back up. We've all had this problem at one time or another, and actually someone did write into me to say that she actually had a new WC fitted, new suite, and since then the toilet has taken ages to fill up and to be able to flush it, which is really infuriating. So let's see what we can do about it to fix that easily, shall we? Right then, so here we have a standard sort of ball valve you'd find in a lot of WC systems these days, coming through the bottom, valve on it like this. So what goes wrong? Well, these always come when you buy them with a high pressure seating in them. That means that it's great for straight on the mains. It's going straight on the water mains, fine. Most houses actually. But what happens when you've got a low pressure system? That is, your bathroom, usually upstairs, is fed from a tank in the loft, so the water doesn't run that fast. Well, that means this will run very, very slowly. There's not enough pressure to get through the high pressure seating, which I'll show you in a second. Also, it means if you do flush this cistern at night, that'll be filling in slowly, so taking half an hour to an hour, and also that means the roof tank will open its valve to take the place of the water coming out. So that means then you've got a noise up there as well that is slowly running into the tank as well, the sound of water running, and you might even have a noisy valve which makes it even worse, doesn't it? So how can we sort this? So let's take this apart. It's usually come apart, these ones like this. There's all sorts of different valves. I know there's different varieties everywhere. So this is the more common one, and as you can see in there, you'll see that is the seating in there, the seating of the valve. Now we're going to take that out. It just drops out like so, like that. Okay, that's out of the valve, you can see. There it is, and you can see obviously that is what the water's got to go through, that little thing there, which is fine if it's restricting cold pressure mains. Just right, in fact, because otherwise it could be so powerful that the valve wouldn't actually shut off. It wouldn't be able to withstand the pressure, which is why they always fit these in as standard. So what you do, go to a plumber shop, and for about 10p you pick up one of these, and this is a low pressure seating, and you can see the hole in there is a lot bigger. So easy fix. Once you split the valve, you can do it all within the system. You get your low pressure seating, pop it in there like so, and then you get a little washer that will be around there. It may be a rubber one like that, it might be a fibre washer. Put that back in there, and as you see, if that was coming through the cistern, you would see this part inside the toilet cistern, and you'll see there's a little groove there. See that? You just line that up with the groove on the valve there, so you line them up and then screw it together. So it's pretty easy. There it is. You'll feel it going. It won't be able to move. You won't be able to twist it round once you've got it right. So once you've got that, do the nut up, turn your water back on. You will find the pressure greatly improved. It will fill in 3 to 5 minutes, and what a difference. It's back to normal flushing capacity you had previously. Also, I've found these little seatings can actually block up on the water mains as well, even when you are mains fed, because especially if guys have been working out in the street on a water main, lots of rust and debris can come up through the main and still block this little seating. So you might even find, even though your mains fed, it's running slow. Worth taking it out just to have a look and see whether it's running clear. If you've got slow water on the cistern and it mains pressure, worth a look. Okay, so what else is there? Let's take a look at one of these type of valves then. This is the old quiet fill type valve. Doesn't have a seating as such, a different arrangement that you can change. But what they do have is this blue restrictor that fits inside there, which may well be fitted in there. So if you've got a low pressure, this could be restricting it. So you have to undo the feed to the valve and take one of these out. Other valves of this type of thing with a filter as well and a restrictor in the end of the valve like so. Again, take it out, the filter could be blocked as well, or the actual restrictors obviously still in there. You want to take the whole lot out if you've got low pressure system. So you can see it's fairly easy to do if you have low pressure things to have a look at to see what is causing the problem. Long times it happens, it builds up over time, then you know it's probably blocked. So that is worth checking there. Easy, simple fix, and not a problem really, is it? It's super easy. Well, yeah, for me. Okay, that's about it though. All my stuff, you know, to go usual place. Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.